Once you have researched different options like email addresses of people who posted on a Facebook page or on a group, etc., you have downloaded or you finish your research, all the results are saved in CSV files, so you don't lose them. You go to download history, and here you can also click on download and you can see your files. Okay, you can open or save on your local computer. Okay, here you see very big, very huge file. Okay, I'm going to Excellent automatically. If you have here, you see that you have your file with all the information. Okay, so you just go here to result history and you download the file that you want. And you can upload all this information into your email marketing tool and start to promote to all these users.